Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your FedEx Payroll account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your FedEx Payroll's account, firstly go ahead and launch up on your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in fedex.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your FedEx Payroll's account. Enter your username and password associated with your FedEx Payroll's account and tap on Login. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says Remember my user ID in case if you want your user ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your user ID or password, click on the link that says Forgot your user ID or password option. This is how you can log into your FedEx Payroll's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.